Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more future tutorial videos. Today I am going to show you share some techniques of how to fix these hangings in oxidized Jumka bases. There are 4 ways to attach hangings to these Jumka bases. One is with those ball pins and one is with these fuse wire and beads, so that you can fix any colors of beads for matching to our dresses. Two more methods are there. One is with some charms, minute beautiful charms in different designs you will get from market. One is with the loreals and gem rings. These are loreals and gem rings. Hope you can see. Let's start. We need some materials. First thing is oxidized Jumka base. You can get it from market. First method I am going to show you with ball pins. It's a very easy method. Then we need a nose plier and ball pins. This is the nose plier. This is the main tool for fixing those ball pins and other hangings. So I will show you the ball pins. Hope you can see. It's a tiny thing which look like nails. One side sharp and one side is with ball. It's available in different colors. You can choose it according to the Jumka base color. For antique gold base, I took same color ball pins. So you can see the holes on the base. So I'm going to put it from outside of the hole to inside of the base, from outside to inside, like this. And press it with your thumb finger, like this. And hold the tip of the sharp end with the nose plier and bend it like this. Bend towards the ball and press it like this. Like this, one hangs fixer. So once again I will show you. Take another ball pin, put it from outside to inside, press the ball side with thumb finger, bend the sharp end using your plier towards the ball. I think you got it. So let's move on the next method. Next is with fuse wire. These are the fuse wires. Hope you can see. This is so flexible and both ends are with tiny balls. Hope you can see. These are very flexible and these are available in different thickness. So I am going to cut this in the middle, so we can use it for two hangings, fixing two hangings. These are also available in different colors in market. You can make gungroos also with these fuse wires. So here I took silver Jumka base. That's why I am using silver color fuse wire. So for variety I am using golden beads for silver base, so you'll get the dual tone. You can use any color of beads for matching to your dress, and you can buy materials and make your own awesome jumkas at your home. So for first method I used to put that ball pin from outside to inside. So in this fuse wire method I am going to put it from inside to outside, and I am leaving this much gap above the bead for fixing the rest of the fuse wire. Turn the complete fuse wire on that gap. Try to fix it neatly. So one drop is fixed. I'll show you once again, just observe it. Put one bead to the fuse wire and put it from inside to outside the hole, and use your fingers for holding that. Leave that small gap above the bead and fix all the fuse wire on the gap. Turn it completely. The fuse wire is so flexible, so you can turn it easily. Use your fingers properly. Hope you like this method. Now we can go for the third method. Third method also I am going to show in this base only, because I took silver color charms. These are the charms. You will get these charms on the market, and in different beautiful designs and beautiful sizes. These are some tear shape charms I took, and some jump rings also we need. Every materials you will get in minimum 4 to 5 color finishes, like silver, antique silver, gold, antique gold, copper, etc. So this is also easy. Just we need to open the gem ring and put the charm and fix to the Jumka base. That's all. So I'll show you how to fix it. Open the gem ring like this. You can use two pliers, one in right hand and one in left hand, for opening this gem ring. So you can open it without any struggle. So open the gem ring and put the charm inside the gem ring. And this also from outside to inside you need to put, and at inside the base you need to close the ring. Hold the charm with your thumb finger and hold the ring with your index finger and close the ring. You can use flat nose player also. Flat nose player you can use. So like this, for big Jumkas you can use these types of charms. So next I am going to show the last method with gungroos. These are the gungroos. You will get it in all color beads in this gungroos. These are also known as loreals. And for this method we need jump rings also. So for golden gungroos I took golden jump rings. So I am going to open this jump ring and putting one gungroos one by one. Any number of gungroos you can add in one ring. This is also I am putting the ring from outside to inside so that we can close it neatly inside the base. Close it. flat nose plier is best for closing the ring. So like this, you can fill that gap of the ring completely with the loreals. This is just I showed for how to fix it. Okay, hope you like this tutorial. If any doubt, comment below the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.